Hello friends, my name is Ankit Yadav. I'm pursuing MBA from Sharda University. Today I'm going to tell you about Consumer Protection Act 1986. Now, what is Consumer Protection Act? The Consumer Protection Act 1986 is designed to protect consumers and give them rights when buying goods and services. Example, manufacturers are legally obliged to put certain information on products such as healthy and safety messages on cigarettes. This act is designed to protect consumers against improperly described damaged, faulty, and dangerous goods and services, as well as from unfair trade. Now, consumer dispute. A consumer dispute means a dispute where a person against whom a complaint has been made deny or dispute the allegation contained in the complaint. If the other party agrees to the complaint, dispute ceases. So every consumer should have the knowledge about the consumer rights. Now the consumer rights. There are six consumer rights. First is right to safety. This right is the right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services which are hazardous to the life and property. Second is right to information. Right to information is to be informed about the quality, quantity, purity, standard and price of the goods or services so as to protect the consumer against the unfair trade and practices. Third is right to choose. The consumer has right to assured wherever possible of access to variety of goods and services at competitive price. Fourth is right to be heard. The right to be heard and to be assured that consumers' interests will receive due consideration at appropriate forms is the definition of right to be heard. This right helps to empower the consumers of India for putting forward their complaints and concern fairly and raising their voice against products or or even complaints and ensure that their issues are taken into consideration. Fifth is right to redressal. The right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or restrictive trade practices or uns- unscripted exploitation of consumers is referred to as the rights of redressal. And last is right to education. The right to the right of every Indian citizen to have education on matter reg- regarding consumers protection as well as about his or her right is regarded as the last right provided by the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Now, consumer dispute redressal agencies. There are three types. District Consumer Dispute Redressal Form. Second is State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. And third is National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Now, the district form. District form consists of a president and two other members. The president can be retired or working judge of district court. They are appointed by the state government. The complaints of goods or services worth rupees 20 lakhs or less than can be filed in these agencies. The second is state commission. It contains of a president and two other members. The president must be a retired or working judge of high court. They all are appointed by the state government. The complaints for the goods worth rupees more than 20 lakhs or less than 1 crore can be filed in state commission. Or receiving complaints, the state commission contacts the party against whom the complaint is filed and send the goods for testing in the laboratory is required. Now the third, National Commission. National Commission consists of a president and four members, one of whom shall be a woman. They are appointed by the central government. The complaint can be filed in National Commission. If the value of goods exceeds rupees 1 crore on receiving the complaint, the National Commission informs the party against whom the complaint is filed and send the goods for testing if required and give judgment. Thank you.